The U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has responded to Ripple's notice of supplemental authority regarding the Binance decision, arguing that it does not support Ripple's opposition to the proposed remedies. According to a filing shared by renowned defense attorney James K. Filan, the SEC contends that the Binance decision is irrelevant to the pending remedies motion. The regulator criticized Ripple for using a single observation from the nearly 90-page Binance ruling to argue against severe penalties. The SEC emphasized that Ripple's attempt to use the Binance decision to shape its legal strategies is unwarranted. The SEC further noted that the Binance ruling did not address Ripple's conduct or penalties for its securities law violations. Additionally, the agency accused Ripple of omitting a critical portion of the Binance decision that could significantly affect the remedies decision. The SEC highlighted that the court in the Binance case rejected the fair notice doctrine defense and found that the defendants were fully aware of potential regulatory risks. The Binance court also found that, while the fair notice defense is an objective inquiry, it was notable that the defendants were alleged to have actual notice that the SEC could pursue them, just like Ripple had specific notice about the risks of its actions, based on the advice of counsel and chose to proceed anyway, the SEC argued. As a result, the SEC asserts that Ripple's use of the Binance decision to argue against severe penalties is completely irrelevant. The SEC's response to Ripple's supplemental authority has sparked reactions among XRP supporters. Prominent community member Ashley Prosper questioned the SEC's decision to dedicate an entire paragraph to the fair notice doctrine when Ripple did not mention it in its notice. Prosper argued that Ripple had no fair notice as it was the first target of the SEC lawsuit. He also criticized the SEC for its recent legal setbacks following Judge Torres' summary judgment in favor of Ripple. Prosper urged Judge Annalisa Torres to consider Ripple's supplemental authority and strengthen her ruling against any potential SEC appeal. The SEC's filing comes a day after Ripple submitted its supplemental authority related to the Binance decision. Ripple argued that the Binance judge supported Judge Annalisa Torres' reasoning by declaring that secondary market sales of BNB do not constitute investment contracts. Ripple also claimed that the Binance judge criticized the SEC's regulatory strategy, suggesting that the judge's recognition of the industry's lack of clarity supports Ripple's position against harsh penalties. Both parties are currently awaiting the court's final judgment. So, that's the update for now. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.